y'all. So I am going to see Beyonce last minute in Las Vegas and I needed my nails done. I found this beetle kit a while ago during the pandemic and was like, you know what? I'm about to do my nails. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is definitely a different video for me. Never done a video like this before, but this is something that I felt was so convenient and good for the girlies who love fashion, who love style, and who sometimes need something real quick when they're getting ready to go somewhere. This is so much better than having the regular press-on nails because these things, they last, they are on your nails, and they're not going anywhere. So if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure that you do so to catch all my videos. Share this with a friend if you feel like, honestly, this is a cool, cute little gift too. My god sister found this and told me about it, and I fell in love with it. So I just wanted to show you guys how these beetle kits work, and then stay tuned with me because I'm going to show you my outfit. Get ready with me when I head to Vegas to see Beyonce. Mind you, this is all so inexpensive, y'all. Like, when I was living in New York, I was paying almost $105 just to get my nails done. And I swear I paid this kit maybe $30 for all of these things. And I've used it maybe 5 times already. So I'll just show you guys how it works. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do so. I'll just show you different fashions, cool tips that you can use for your gigs, yourself. So yeah, so here are all the nail extensions. They come in different number sizes. And when I used them before, I labeled them. So I have the thumb size already numbered. I have the pinky size. I have all my fingers already sized so that when I go back, I'll know which ones I need to pull out. It makes it just so convenient knowing exactly, you know, which number goes with your nails, and you can just keep everything organized. So I pull all the ones that I've already labeled out and then put all the other ones away so that I can just, you know, start sizing my nails up. So then my nails actually grew really long. I've been working out a lot and I've been taking a lot of protein, so they've been growing really fast and long. But I want to keep them healthy, so I'm just clipping them down so that when I put the nail tip on top, everything is just even and clean, literally just like you're at the salon. And then I file them just a little bit so that the glue stays, and then I also buff them out. So right now I'm just filing them to make them all even, making sure the top is smooth, and then now I'm buffing them out so that the glue again stays on really well. We don't want these things popping off. Like, I tried those tips at the regular nail, like Sally's or Rite Aid, or those tips before during the pandemic, and I swear I would be looking on the ground and finding all my nails. Like, they would be popping off left and right. So this is why I love this kit. I swear these nails last like 3 weeks when I wear them. Yeah, I'm just taking out the nails, and I like to put them all out. It just makes this whole process go so much quicker. I just pull them out and I line them up like thumb to pinky for both hands. That way I can just pick it up, pull it, put it on my nail, and go to the next one. So it's like right on time. Like, it's no waiting or whatever trying to figure out what nail goes with what. Like, they're already placed down on the table in front of me. And that's what's really convenient too about having them labeled already, your numbers and what number goes with which finger. So just pulling all those out. And then this is the little UV light that the kit comes with. I'll leave all the information below on the different kits that I got. It's very convenient having a little one, and you'll see why. Because when you put each nail on, you want to make sure that when you're putting the glue on, like now, and then you put it on your nail, it's precisely under the UV light for a specific amount of time. So you're going to be putting it down on your nail, making sure there's no bubbles or anything like that on it. And then you're going to slowly put it under the light. Very slow, I say, because you don't want any bubbles to pop up. And you'll put it under there for, they say, about 60 seconds. And I swear this nail, like, y'all listen, like those videos where that lady chews her food and you can hear everything. These nails are not going anywhere. Like, They're not. So I hold it down for a little while and then I'll just sit it under there and move my finger around like a little bit so that the light hits all the size of the nail. Like the light hits all the nail. And then I just go from each nail and I do the same thing and see how convenient it is knowing the next nail you're going to put on top. I put that on top, slowly put it under that UV light, and boom, there you have it. It's right there and convenient. And the difference with having this little light compared to the big one, which I'll show you as well. Mind you, like I said, all this together was probably like $35 for the UV lights, plural, because it comes in the kit, my own one. And then I have the nail polish. The nail polish was like $7 for all these different colors. The extension nail kit, you don't even necessarily need that. Now, what I do like that comes in the full one where you put your actual extension on is it comes with a top coat nail polish. And you don't need the big kit just for that. Like literally that's the only thing I use out of that now because I'm using their own nail tip extensions rather than trying to create my own nail itself to extend. So now I am just clipping the nails down to the shape and size that I really, really like. So I'm keeping them kind of long because I'm going to do a little design. I'm going to show you how to do a design on the nail as well. And then now that they're all clipped, I'm just filing them precisely to the shape and length and size that I really want. Like I'm OD with making sure that these things are sharp. What's funny about this is when I was in elementary school, I went to summer camp and my first little entrepreneurial job was doing people's nails. Like I used to polish people's nails. I have a post where I talk about all the different types of entrepreneurial little things that I tried. And I don't know, I just love doing stuff like this because it makes me feel like it's kind of like therapeutic. It's like working out for me, going to the gym, yoga, Pilates, walking, all that, yes, but I love doing little creative stuff like this. So if you're not trying to spend a whole bunch of money trying to figure out, can get your nails done because now it's gone from like $40 to $150 for the style and all that you want. I'm telling y'all, this kit is everything. And I think it's cute too for a little holiday gift. Now that I think about it, it's definitely good for, your girlies, or maybe they just want to have a little party and do it or whatever. I think it's cool for a little gift as well. So now I'm going to be doing my little design. So I was going to do like a really short French, like a little line French on them because I love when you have a fresh set and you can wear your natural color and the nail is like clear or like a pinkish clear and then like a French. That is so classy and chic for me, and I felt like it would be really cute with the outfit that I'm going to be wearing to the Beyonce concert. I don't know, I just felt like my whole vibe was just giving classy. And what's her song? Don't she say that? Too classy for this world? Alien Superstar? That is my song. And I feel that's the vibe that I'm trying to go for. And a little bit edgy too, of course. But I feel like that's my whole vibe for this. So now I'm just doing a little French tip, but it's really, really short French tip design on each nail, and I'm just lifting it up so that I can make sure that it's even, because sometimes when you look at it from one angle the line may look straight, but if you flip it the other way it's kind of off. So I'm just doing that and going over it, making sure that it's even, and then I put it under the UV light for like 5 seconds just to hold it in case I hit my nail. And then because when you get this type of nail polish and you put it under even 5-10 seconds under it, it's not going anywhere in case you tap it or hit it. And then once you finish your whole hand, then you can put it under there for the 30 to 60 seconds, however long you want to put it under there, to make sure that it's all dry. So now I'm just making sure that the tip is really, really precise. I'm really proud of this, like the way that they came out too. Like I really, really love this kit. I just feel like it's so convenient. And mind you, this whole process took me maybe 30 minutes. Like if that. It's very, very quick. And I like it better than just the regular tips because they last longer. Your nail is secure underneath these and they just are so professional. This beetle kit, I'm telling y'all, it was a lifesaver during the pandemic. So see how the tips came out? They came out so cute. Like, I love it. I love it. It came out so cute. Look at that. Yes, honey. Yes. So now I'm going to go over the left hand. Y'all know it's hard when you're trying to get that left hand or your non-dominant hand. So it's just really being patient and, being patient. You got to be patient with this kind of stuff because you see I just messed up. So I'm going over it, and I love this nail polish because if you mess up and it's wet, it literally just wipes off. That's why I said that 5-10 seconds when you put it under the UV light, it lasts longer. I mean, it does not come off. So if you do mess up when you're doing it, you literally just wipe it off and it comes right off. So I love that about this nail polish as well. Like I said, this nail polish is like $7. And so now I'm just letting them dry, the tips dry. And then I'm going to go over them one more time because I just want to make sure that that white is popping, okay? And then after I go over each one more time to make sure it's popping, I put my hands back under the UV light to make sure that they are dry. I'm really, really feeling these nails. Normally I'll do like a full color, but this time I just wanted to try something different. So that there was the actual top coat. It's just a clear coat, but it's just going to make sure that everything stays on and that your nail polish does not come off. It doesn't turn colors. Like when I did my hair, I dyed it. And when I tell you that this did not get on my nails at all, it never does whenever I do my hair. So I really, really like this nail polish and this top coat that comes with the kit. And you can also get the top coat separately. Like Beetle has all these different products where you can get them and just whenever you run out. So it's not like you have to buy the same kit over and over and over again. Like you'll have exactly what you need, or you can order exactly what you need when you need it. So just going over these with the top coat. Look at them. They just look really, really clean, chic, and sharp. Like, swear, like, this is $105 nail worth. And like I said, I don't know. I just like trying new things. And I don't know. I'm the type of person I feel like I can figure it out. And I'm going to figure it out. And I feel like that's what I did when I stumbled across this. This was actually my god sister told me about this kit. And I said, okay, I'll try it. And I just fell in love with it. And again, this was last minute too, so it was very, very convenient for me because I didn't know I was going to go see Beyonce. Literally get on a flight and go see her. So it's like I had to figure it out. This is the finished product. Okay, guys, so this is what I decided to wear for the show. I saw that Beyonce said that she wanted everybody in silver, so I was like, I already got my outfit. I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I was a little late to it, but it's okay because I'm gonna accessorize, and I made sure to add some silver in. So I got this really cute necklace. I wear this sometimes, but I felt like this would make the outfit just look funky and pop for a concert like this. I really, really love how shiny it is, and it really sparkles, and I thought it would look really cute with like my bob short hair. And this is a little dress. It looks so small, but that's how you know it's about to be fitted. And I just felt like it would fit so cute on and just show my shape. And then I ended up getting this sandal, and I thought it was really cute because it's not just like a regular thong sandal, strappy sandal. It is a platform. And anything I feel like that has a little bit of heel is going to make you look like you're taller, of course, but it's also going to make your legs look a little bit longer. So I thought that was a nice touch for the silver. And as you can see, it matches the silver choker here. And this outfit I felt like would be perfect for the concert too, especially these shoes, because all these videos I'm seeing on TikTok and Instagram of people feet hurting, I said that's not about to be me. Like, I'm about to be up here dancing this whole time at the concert. So that is why I ended up getting those type of shoes for the show and not heels. I knew I was going to be up just like vibing with the crowd and of course with Beyonce and her dancers. So yeah, so this is my outfit and I will see you guys in Vegas. I'm about to pack and just get it going.
Be on the ground shortly.